Hi, this is Tim Cool with Smart Church Solutions, and we're going to spend some time together and just kind of looking at what do we need to do to get our facility ready for re-entering after COVID-19. So one of the things about being in church is we love the idea of gathering together and seeing our friends and the people that we worship with. And we do that in our common spaces, in our lobbies, our narthexes. I'm sitting in a gathering space right now. Well, you probably want to consider taking the furniture up and just not allowing people to gather in a clustered area. The other is the bulletins, the handouts and whatnot. I strongly suggest that you don't hand anything out, which means don't give them a bottle of water, don't give them a cup of coffee. Your greeters need to be also trained to not reach out their hand. That's not the way we want them to interact right now. So be thinking about all the different ways that you're going to have to properly interact with people as you go forward. So as you can see here with these drinking fountains, you may want to consider either taping them over, turning the water off so people can't use them, but you're going to want to protect people from being able to use these kind of devices throughout your campus during this period of time. So another thing to consider is if you have rooms that are going to be used on multiple occasions, but you don't know how often they're going to be used, is the potential of getting some kind of a checklist form, something that you can see. If you see that something's been used last, but it hasn't been cleaned yet, then you probably don't want to use that room again. But another really kind of clever thing would be if you got these little door hangers, and these were custom made by a church here in Charlotte, North Carolina, where the blue side basically is saying, hey, this is ready for occupancy, it's been sanitized. But the back side says that it needs to be sanitized and needs to be taken care of. And so your housekeeping crew, they can easily just put it right on the doors, and there you go.